Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of science-backed nutrition. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, our mood. We'll uncover 3 remarkable foods that have been scientifically proven to boost your mood. So, if you're looking for simple and delicious ways to enhance your emotional well-being, stay with us. The gut-brain connection. Our journey begins with the intriguing connection between our gut and brain. Research has shown that what we eat can have a profound impact on our mood. The gut-brain axis is a complex network of communication between the two, and certain foods can influence this connection for the better. Dark chocolate, a mood-lifting delight. Our first mood-enhancing food is a true delight, dark chocolate. That's right. That indulgent treat you've been craving has some incredible benefits. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and contains compounds that can increase the production of feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin. Not only does it taste heavenly, but it can also brighten your day. Fatty fish omega-3s for emotional resilience. Now, let's sail into the world of fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known for their brain-boosting properties. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the brain and promote the growth of brain cells. They're like a protective shield for your mood, helping to fend off feelings of sadness and anxiety. Blueberries, a berry good mood. Our third mood-boosting food comes in the form of sweet and juicy blueberries. These little berries are nutritional powerhouses, filled with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. They can help protect your brain from the wear and tear of daily life, contributing to a brighter outlook. Incorporating these foods into your diet. But how can you incorporate these mood-boosting foods into your daily diet? We've got you covered. Dark chocolate can be enjoyed as an occasional treat, while fatty fish can be a star in your weekly meals. And those delicious blueberries? Snack on them, add them to your breakfast, or use them as a colorful topping for your yogurt. The importance of a balanced diet? While these foods can do wonders for your mood, it's important to remember that they work best as part of a balanced diet. A diverse and nutritious eating plan that includes a variety of foods ensures you get all the essential nutrients your brain needs to stay happy and healthy. Conclusion. In conclusion, these 3 foods, dark chocolate, fatty fish, and blueberries, offer a delectable way to elevate your mood based on scientific evidence. By understanding the connection between what we eat and how we feel, we can make informed choices to support our emotional well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploring the science of mood-boosting foods. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition insights. Until next time, stay well and keep those moods soaring.